Yo, yo, yo. What's good? Yo, 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 yo. Just waiting a little bit. Waiting for some goblins to get in here. All right. You're doing a cash secure put. Nice. So I just trade naked options. I don't know how to really trade cash secure puts. A Neo with an STR. Yeah, I don't really know how to do cash secure puts. STR, what is that? That's one of the few things I haven't learned yet. I just because I don't see value in it yet. Just because I haven't found anything with it. I know a lot of guys that do it. Cash secured puts, cash secured puts. You can do something with calls too, right? Whatever the opposite is. So you're selling a put, basically. Oh, your strike? Nice. Cool, cool, cool. Do more Atlas news. There hasn't been a lot of news. It kind of calmed down for a little bit, right? So yeah, there just hasn't been a lot of news with it. You selling the cash secured put? Okay. Nice. 10.5? Let's see. So you're betting on this going down? So you're going okay, so cash secured puts. So you are still betting on the price going down, right? If it goes down, you're going to make money. Gotcha. So, it kind of depends on what the market wants to do here. And Neo looks like it could be in a potential dead cat bounce territory just because, we had that channel. And it could be getting ready for that rebound before it heads further back down. So with this one, just be a little careful because the Neo has been holding higher lows the last couple months, but or weeks. Almost looks like a head and shoulders. Yeah, I need at least 1 or 2 more days. It's hard to get a gauge on Neo, right? Because it could also be flagging right now too, right? Nice. If it doesn't go to 10.5 or lower, you keep the cash. Otherwise, you buy at 10.5. Okay. Nice. Yeah, it's hard to get a gauge on where Neo's gonna go. It's gonna depend on the Nasdaq too, right? Part of it. And the Nasdaq it's in Henri territory here, just kind of like the S&P. You know, testing long-term trend line here. You know, there was a lot of steam that came in on Friday. But other than that, I mean, I'd like to get above this prior high before we. So if we reject here, you know, if we don't get above this prior high, we might see more downside. But until then, I'm being a little bit patient, especially tomorrow, just because. Well, I need to look at some more stocks first, but when it comes to Neo, at least, it's just hard to kind of gauge where it's at in this very moment. Let's see here. You know, it's trading at pretty low volume on Friday and Thursday. Got some rejection candles here. Who knows? Yeah, man. Nice to see both of you on the big shorts. Yeah, I don't know what's going to happen. I still think there's more downside in the markets. I've been saying that for a while. It makes a lot of sense. But you never know. I'm ready for both sides. It'd be nice if the housing market crashed and then buy some more property. But yeah, you know, I have no idea. I think fundamentally the market is very unstable. It's a little bit out of control. There's just a lot of uncertainty. And I need to see how these next set of earnings pan out too, because if the earnings pan out, or once the earnings pan out, we'll have a better gauge of kind of how the companies have been sufficing this last quarter, and that'll help paint the picture. Also with the consumer as well, but you know, we need some lower prints on inflation. We need to still continue to get those. We need jobs. We need more layoffs to happen, right? So we need job growth to really slow down, and you know, we need the bonds and interest rates to stabilize a little bit. So I don't know what's ahead, man. Travis, what's up? We in the gym, dude. I need to get to the gym, man. Oh my lord. Yeah, I've just been like, I've been crazy busy, but I need to get back after it. I'm heading to what do you call it? I'm heading to Key West like next month, so I gotta get my body right. Yeah, man, get those pumps, boy. Mozilla, what's good? Travis, where you been, dude? You've been lacking, dude. The gym is right here. I never see you on them plates in here, dude. I'm already popping out 500s, dude. I'm on the 500 bench right now, dude. You're on like the 80s right now. You pushing the bar right now, dude, because you haven't been to the gym in so long. AKA the charts. Yeah, no. I know, man. I know, it's just I'm so busy. I know. I gotta figure out how to squeeze it in. I picked up more work too, so I'm just dying. Pyotrek, what's up, brother? Hey man, you need me to look at your stock? Let me know, guys. If you want me to look at your stock, let me know what you're looking at, but give me a little bit more than 4 letters, right? Give me the ticker symbol. Talk to me about it, right? Are you watching it for news? What's ahead? Are you in it right now? What are you projecting? Do you want me to look at the higher time frame, the lower time frame? Let me know how I can help. Check out AMD real quick. I've been watching these. You know, a lot of these stocks they're bumping up against this long-term trend line, man. A lot of stocks have something like this, similar setup. So AMD's got something like this, you know. Teach their own where you want to draw your trend line in. You know, AMD's can be there. Let's see if Nvidia's got one. Not so much on Nvidia. Almost got a little inverse head and shoulders though, right? Not looking too snazzy. Right, and then what's the other ones? All right, SPY has the obvious one. Big old trend line, boy. So we're at an inflection point right here in the markets. That's why I'm being real patient the next few days here. I'm really curious to see how these earnings come out. We have big tech earnings starting to come in. I think we have Microsoft slated next week, early next week, or it's either Microsoft or Google. We have Tesla, and we should see more and more big companies jump in, boy. What you know about them Cowboys, dude? I'm about to lose, man. Cowboys about to lose, boy. And Cowboys are whack. Dak sucks. He's not good. Dak is whack. That's why his name's Dak, because it rhymes with whack. See? Whack. I wonder if that's a ticker symbol. Whack. No, it's not. Of course it's not. I don't know what companies I want to look at right now. I can't think of my list. Netflix? I like to trade Netflix once in a while. Take a look at that. I need to sit up. I need to wake up, boys. I'm sorry. I'm monotone right now. I'm so just exhausted. My sleep pattern's all fucked up. I've been watching this Skinwalker Ranch show, and it keeps distracting me, dude. I don't know what else to do right now. I'm watching Skinwalker Ranch, hitting my vape. I'm coding some bots. I'm doing a lot of shit on my computer, right? Yeah. I manage like 40 people right now. I'm dying. Been working all weekend, but you know what? I'm here, baby. I'm awake now. How's it going? Looking at G-Sun. What do I think about Palantir? Let me show you what I think about Palantir. You ready, dude? You ready for this shitty, stupid company? I don't know if I could swear anymore because of YouTube guidelines. Palantir looks great, dude. It's in the dumpster. Looking a G-Sun to pop again. Cost to borrow is 240%. That's high. You're targeting $3 to $5. What are you looking for a squeeze on this thing? It looks like it's accumulating right now, to be honest with you. If I had to take a closer look. Fucking Thinkorswim, man. Yeah, you know, it looks like it's accumulating ish. There's a lot of volume trading down here. It could be getting heavily shorted though. There's a lot of liquidity to grab above, so you just gotta kind of wait, see if we get that nice pop. I mean, right now it is selling off pretty hard, but again, it looks like it's being shorted pretty hard. I would check out the Ortex data too. Yeah, you know, the price action on this, man. I mean, it looks pretty bearish until it's not. I have seen a lot of stocks do this that are getting heavily shorted. You know, you'll get this huge influx of volume. This is almost, you know, I wouldn't call it a squeeze, but this was a nice little push here. Beautiful inside bar there you could have bought, and then it started to sell off. There's some strength on the sell off ish. I mean, the volume is definitely lower, but it makes sense. And I just go one day at a time with this thing. I don't know where this thing is going yet. But if it is being heavily shorted and that short interest lies there, you know, all it's going to take is some manipulation to occur, push this thing to the top, and then it's going to squeeze, is my guess. So you're looking for $3 to $5. Damn. Yeah, bro. I just don't know enough about G-Sun right now. I'm going to tell you the price action right now is manipulated to death. That's all I can tell you. It's very obvious. No stock does this. No stock trades at 94 cents for, you know, shit. Yeah. There's no stock that trades at 94 cents for like a month and a half, and then it's just go mode and jumps up nearly 200% in like 3 days. So yeah, that is weird. Do you think SPY tomorrow put will work? So it just depends, right? What time frame are you trading on? Anything will work. So you might want to reframe that. You know, yeah, I mean, I think it's I'm gonna be honest with you. I think there's gonna be some relief soon. Okay, that's just me speculating. Okay, I've been talking about this move for a while here on SPY. I've been talking about this. Like I said, who knows? It looks like we are going to contest that trend line soon too, that long-term trend line. So, and it is a little extended right now. I think it's just grabbing liquidity before it makes its way further back down. That's just my opinion. But we'll see. We have earnings up and coming, right? So big earnings week ahead. We're going to continuously hit big earnings as we enter into this fresh earnings season and just see how the overall economy is kind of looking. SPY puts will work every day. It just depends on your outlook, right? SPY puts, it really just depends, man. That's so open-ended. SPY puts would have worked right here at open, right? They would have worked right here. They would have worked right here, right? They would have worked right here. So it just really depends on what you're trying to do with them, for how long, and stuff like that. So anything will work tomorrow. Yeah, I just don't. There's not a really good way to answer that. There just isn't. Microsoft Tuesday after hours. Okay, so Microsoft has earnings. Uzi. Microsoft has earnings on Tuesday after hours, man. What you know about Microsoft, dude? This shitty ass company, man. What you know about Apple? Apple's way better, dude. Look at that inverse head and shoulders, dude. What you know about that, dude? I ain't gotta look at nothing else. I don't gotta look at nothing. I don't even gotta look at earnings. I don't even have to look at the damn price, right? All I gotta look at is the candles, which is the price, and tell you this thing's looking like go mode right now just because of that inverse head and shoulders, and no other confluence is needed. All right, now here's the deal. If that inverse if this thing does start launching, it looks like SPY is going to be that precursor. You guys are going to see a lot of stocks, a lot of these bigger companies, these S&P components, these NASDAQ components. They're all testing some form of a level right now. They're getting near it, and it makes sense because so is the S&P 500. So, Microsoft could have a little inverse head and shoulders here, or fucked up one, or none at all, right? We talked about what Nvidia's given us, right? Possible little inverse head and shoulders, man, right? So you just never know. But you can see how the stars align, right? The S&P 500. Ooh, that looks nasty on there, man. Thinkorswim be ugly sometimes, man. Right? Everything's kind of near this inflection point right now. So what's going to happen? We've been failing this trend line for about 54 or 55 weeks. Okay, it's over a year. So when are we going to get over it, baby? Who knows? Is it now? I don't know. Who knows? All I know is that the 49ers are going to beat the Cowboys tonight. That's all I know, dude. Tesla. All right, Tesla looks like a dumpster too. Let's take a look. Let's get a little curl. Let's get a little curl action in there. Okay, a lot of volume at this spot right here. Tons of volume. Look at you go, man. Look at you go, Tesla. I don't know. Is this a little pump fake? Who knows, dude? This could be. Maybe it's a little. Maybe it's a little rising wedge, dude. Who knows? So yeah, just be careful. I always look for opportunity every day. So, don't be hesitant necessarily, but just be cognizant of kind of where the market's sitting right now. Just, you have to keep that in mind. You have to keep that in mind. Okay. See too many people trading and they don't even know what's going on in the stock market. I think it's mandatory to be watching the markets, at least the indices, while you're trading. It depends if you're trading penny stocks too, though. Penny stocks do run a little bit different. But even then, you can somehow get you can somehow gain an edge out of that too. Daniel, whatever, hit that like. How many likes do we have, man? Does a lot for us from Florida. That's good, man. I appreciate it. I'll be down in Florida next month, dude. I'll be at the Keys. All right, six likes, 11 viewers, man. Get them likes up, or I'm leaving. I ain't charting no more. Get them likes up, man. I won't be rich, but I can hit the like button on a YouTube video. Bet. All right, guys, we got about 10 more minutes left. Let's see here. Yeah, the S&P, man. I think SPY is. I don't know, man. Who knows? It looks like it's over. It looks like it's a little extended relative to the current range. Might be overwhelming its stay here, Stutter Nation. But we'll see what happens. We'll see. we'll see. That's all I can say, right? I go one day at a time. I try not to be too biased. I can just tell you fundamentally that the stock market as a whole, the economy as a whole, is just kind of, it's a little unbalanced right now. It's a little unstable. But that doesn't mean we can't see some relatively good price action. I just want to be trending again. That's all I want, man. If the stock market can start trending again, like a clean trend, I'm a happy camper. But it's been a very tricky year, man. Look at this volatility. There's never been too much clarity in the direction here. We've traded sideways for consecutive weeks, consecutive amount of times. It's been a tricky year. All right, consolidation, flat. It's just so much chop, which is good. I like the challenge as a trader, but that's where speculation kind of like goes out the door, because it's like, dude, I don't know, man. You see this mess, so we'll see, man. I think it is a good time to be trading, though. That's for sure. This is a trader's market, man. It's very liquid still, so we're still getting nice price action, and this is where the best traders are gonna get bread, is right now in these markets, man. There's going to be some goons that come out of this market, because if you guys can trade this stuff consistently, you're good. Wait till there's a trend again, baby. You're going to be rich. You're going to be rich if you're not already rich from figuring this out. Okay? So just hang in there. Appreciate it, Daniel. Bucalato. I don't know how to say it. All right. What do we got, guys? Got a few more minutes. GNS. I'm hearing a lot of headlines about GNS. I'm hearing a lot of stuff about it. What's going on with this thing? Saw Bjorn AMV PR that led to slow ramp up pre-market, then parabolic move throughout the day. I'm hearing a lot about this. I can't remember what the news was on this, but how much did this thing run up? Just gonna take a quick measurement here. Wow, it's almost 1,000% light. That is wild. So I could have, dude, that's nuts. So I could have put $100 in this thing and made $900. Like it's a joke, or at least a couple hundred. You're never gonna sell You're never gonna buy the bottom and sell the peak. But damn, son, where'd you find this? This is crazy. Yeah, there was a YouTuber I was collabing with, and he was talking about this stock, and then I've been seeing it on social media too, but I haven't looked into it, because I'm like, oh, there's another manipulated penny stock. There it goes. All right, hell yeah, Cowboys about to lose. Let's go, baby. Let's go. My team's already out of it's already out, so I don't really know what to root for. I wanted the Bills to win today, but the Bengals, man, that team ain't playing. The Bengals are not playing, dude. That team is for real, dude. Also, all three of these tickers trading less than 250 days. Good point. So is this perhaps like that what is it, the expiration where you're able to sell if you bought them, like, say pre-market, or not pre-market, if you bought them like pre-listed, right? Why am I blurry? There we go. LYT IPO'd 219 days ago. Was the biggest gainer Friday. Ran on sympathy. This is sympathetic to that? Holy shite. I gotta put these on a list, dude. IPO madness. So what? GNS, LYT. I remember BR. I never watched AMV though. Yeah, man, good catch. Yeah, it's just getting to that time where they're finally able to sell, and they're like, yo, dude, let's push this up. Let's cash out. We already got in this thing at 40 cents before it went public. Let's go ahead and get it up to $40. This thing is moving like a beast right now, dude. Holy shit. Look at that move. Intraday. Cool. The thing halted. I could tell. At least it looks like it did. Yeah, this thing halted. Get the fuck out of here. Halted like what? Twice at least, it looks like. Maybe 3 times. 4. Shit. I think it's a beast. All right. Yeah, good catch. So I'm gonna keep this watch list lit live. Same thing. And we live, baby. We lit, baby. I'm gonna keep this on here. Just make sure I'm monitoring these throughout the week. If there's no more questions, guys, I do have to wrap up soon and go live with my private Discord. Link is down below in that description. If you want to join, if you want to make some money, we had somebody make $71,000 last week. If you're excited about it, or if you're interested about it, check that link down below. If you're not, it's totally fine. All you got to do though is hit that like button, and you got to hit that subscribe button, baby, because I go live every single week. And if you missing the lives, then you missing your life. Jump on in. I'll get you charted up. We'll get you ready for each and every day. I'm charting for free, guys. There's not a lot of YouTubers that do this, and I cover every single person in the chat. I don't care if there's 200 people in here. I cover every person in the chat. So if you want your shit charted, you better join your boy, subscribe to the YouTube, turn on the notification bell. I go twice at least. I go live twice at least every single week. Twice. Gang. Stock to keep watch tomorrow is JFBR. Up 29% after hours. IPO 147. Oh yeah, dude. There's no news on it. Look at this fucking thing, dude. Oh yeah. Look at the daily candles, my dude. Yeah, that thing looks strong. It's curling. She curling. German. All right, y'all, with that, NASCAR, good to see you, man. I do appreciate the shout outs, and everybody else in the stream, good to see you. I'm going to be joining my private Discord. We're going to be going live for the rest of the night, talking about the week ahead, charting real in detail, man. Getting real serious on here, making some real money. But you can still join up for free. Hit that subscribe, gang. Other than that, I'll see you in the next video, and I'll see you in the next live stream. Have a great night. Get some sleep. Have a great week. I'll see you soon.